Hi friends, so let's discuss on how we can install React on our local computer. So here under D drive, E drive, I have created a folder React. You can see here I have created a folder React. So under this React folder I will install React. Okay, so for that you need to first open command line. You need to point to E drive because my folder is in E drive. You can see it. So let's first go to that particular folder cd and then www and then cd and then react. Okay, so this is the folder I have created and I have now pointed to that. Now we will install React. So for that, this is the syntax: npx create react app and then react app. Now this will install React in particular this directory. Okay, so here you can see that React is installed, and now it's you can see the message here that npm start. So we just need to do cd react app. We need to point to that particular React folder where React is currently installed. Okay, and then you need to do npm start. So you don't need to you need to memorize the syntax. It will be shown there automatically. Okay, so let's wait for the React to start. Okay, thank you. Right now, so here you can see that React is started on localhost and then colon 3000. So here React is started. Here the React app will run. So you can see this screen, and how to edit this screen. You just need to go to the particular folder. In my case it is react-app. So from there you need to go to src and then you need to edit app.js, this one. So I will open it using edit plus plus IDE. Okay, notepad plus plus. I am using notepad plus plus. So let's open it using notepad plus plus. So let's see if I edit, will that work or not. Okay, for that write here anything test react app. Okay, and then just go to, after saving it, just go to the, you can see the changes here. So in this class you see how we can install React on our local computer. This is Windows, so make sure you are using Windows. Okay, so I have shown you how to install it and how to run the React app and how you can edit it also. It's a very primary thing that I showed you today, but in the next class I will show you how you can insert data into database using this React application. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot for your time.